Hi guys, this is yet another one of the finale updates. Let's call it update number 3. But this is not done out of whim, mind you. This canopy is a necessity. It must be built because when it rains, rainwater goes to the stairs where it becomes slippery and dangerous. As we already know, it constantly rains here in the Philippines. I myself slipped a couple of times and other people too, unfortunately. So I decided a canopy must be built. It was suggested a long time ago by the building contractor of the house, but didn't pay much attention to it because it might cost a lot. Now I found out not really. It cost me around 20k. Plus I have the railings of the terrace properly painted this time. I am happy. This is a 3 meter by 3 meter canopy using color roof type of roofing. Well, it was built. I got scared for the man who did the job because it is indeed pretty high up there from the ground. But they seem to be experts of what they do. Kudos to this man. I hope you find this video educational and entertaining. Till next time. Oops, I forgot to mention, my sister next door is also currently doing some demolishing and rebuilding of her place. You can notice that in some of the photos.
There's a boy I know, he's the one I dream of. Looks into